Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is the desert. So let's talk about deserts. Cover more than one-fifth of the earth's surface. They are found in every continent. Deserts are area of lands that are dry and barren. Desert area receive little rainfall. More than 1 billion people, that is one sixth of the earth's population, actually live in desert region. There are two types of desert on the earth, hot desert and cold desert. So let's talk about hot desert. See this map. These areas which are in orange color covered by the desert. Hot deserts are located around the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Are mostly located on the western side of the continents in which they are found. Climate. Hot deserts have warm climate throughout the year. The maximum temperature goes over 45 degrees Celsius. It rarely rains in the deserts. Soil in hot desert is coarse, rocky and gravelly. Fine dust and sand particles get blow around in sandstorm. Drought evaders are desert plants that exist as seed before the rain. They grow as soon as the rain arrives, produce flowers and seeds, and then die. Hence, they live only when there is a lot of water. Drought evaders included cottonwoods tree, willows, and poisonous ivy. Are the plants have adapted to survive long periods without water. For example, the baobab tree. Animal lives. A large variety of animals, birds, and insects such as camel, fox, hyena, rats, snake, burrows, roadrunners, and ostrich are found in the hot desert. Desert animals have adapted way to help them keep cool and use less water. Camels, for example, can go for days without food and water. Human life. Human population in the desert is very sparse. The extreme temperature of desert make it difficult for people to live there. Cold desert. Beside hot desert, there are temperate deserts such as Gobi Desert on Mongolia. Cold deserts are found between the poles and Arctic and Antarctic Circle, such as tundra in Russia. Climate. Cold deserts have extremely cold winter and short cool summer. The main form of the precipitation is now rather than rain. Plant life. The permanently frozen land does not allow the growth of plants and trees. The main vegetation is the moss, lichen and short grasses. In the tundra region, some flowering plants grow in the short summer. Animal life. Animal found in cold desert including polar bear, reindeer, Arctic fox and penguins. They have adapted to survive in extremely cold conditions. People in cold desert. Very few people live in cold desert. There are no permanent residents in the Antarctica. So let's talk about facts about the desert. Number 1. Only around 20% of desert on the earth are covered in sand, and areas covered in ice or snow can sometimes be called cold deserts. Number 2. The largest cold desert on the earth is Antarctica. The largest hot desert on the earth is Sahara. Number 3. Desert generally receive less than 40 centimeters of rain in a year. Number 4. Around 1/3 of the earth's surface is covered in deserts. Number 5. Many of the ice-free regions of the Arctic and Arctic are known as polar deserts. Number 6. The Sahara Desert is located in the northern Africa spanning 12 different countries. Number 7, hot desert usually feature high temperatures in the daytime and cold temperatures at night time. So kids, tell me, why is the desert climate very dry? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the desert. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel, or also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.